Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want super strong, very secure connections when you are wiring, you've got to check out these heat shrink connectors from WIREFY. These marine grade connectors have been a huge part of our truck restoration and wiring project. They are super easy to use and they make really strong and weather resistant connections. We were buying these in individual sizes, but then realized that this assorted kit gave us so many options. They are really easy to use, they crimp really easily, and because of the heat activated adhesive, when you heat shrink them, they are really locked into place. Whenever you're working with electrical connections, you really want to ensure a very good, secure fit, and we always feel confident when we are using these WIREFY connectors. So this assorted kit is a really great option to make sure that you always have what you need for your job. So we're definitely happy with this product. We keep buying these over and over. They're just the best, and that's my point of view.